welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and ring that bell so you know my notifications, so you know when I go live and when special things happen. So I really appreciate that. I appreciate you being here today, and I'm very excited. I'm finally, am I like the last person on earth who's tried the Amethyst palette from Huda Beauty, but I say Huda Beauty. And I've finally got my hand on some of the Obsessions palettes. They've been in boxes, but never my boxes. So I had to get mine off of Mercari, and look how beautiful it is. And it is a 9-pan palette. We are going to do the Swatches. And if you guys know anything about me, you know I love the color purple. I also like the movie The Color Purple as well. Let's see, that didn't swatch very good. But never fear, it doesn't mean that it's not going to look great on the eyes, because swatches are not the whole story. But it is nice to get a little preview of what's going to happen. Oh my goodness. Look at those. I didn't show you the first 3 up close. Sorry about that. Now the last 3. And this is just a gorgeous palette. And people got this in the December, some people got this in the December BoxyCharm. Some people got the ruby, and I also got the ruby off Mercari. So I'm so excited to finally get to do a look with this today. It's going to be epic, epic, epic. I hope so. I would love an epic look. I would like a look that would stand the test of time. Let's start in the crease with this color here. Oh, look at that. Pigmented and beautiful. I'm just going to lightly put this in my eye hole. I'm trying to blend it out a little bit. It is beautifully pigmented. And I am using this awesome Sigma soft focus shader. Oh, you can hear a little ruby through the door. I don't think I have any cats in here right now, which is nothing short of a miracle. Not that I don't love them, but oh, she really wants in. But shall I let her in? Probably not. Probably not. So that is super pretty. I need like a little more of a blending brush to get that to soften up. This is going to be super cute. We love super cute looks. Now I'm going to take this Alter Ego brush that I really like, and I'm going to go a little bit darker but shimmer at the same time. So I'm going to go in with this purple here in the center, and it shows up nicely on the brush. And it's going on nice and evenly with this brush. Not all shimmers do great with brushes, but this is going really well. And I'm going on the lower lid. Bringing the shimmer to the lid. Because if there's one thing you guys know about me, is that I love some shimmery lids. You can see that shimmer. It is working overtime. I'm working overtime. Work out. Now, so my head is doing a mashup of taking care of business, and then it wants to go into word up. Everybody say, when you got to go, you got to do it right away, or something like that. Something like that. I'm going to go under the brow bone with this beautiful light shimmer. It is very soft. Oh, but it's bright as hell. I'm going to blend that out and soften it up so it doesn't become a feature, but just like a little background color. But I think I'm also going to be using that on my lower lid as well. And when I blend this out, it allows me to use it again without looking too redundant. Ooh, so pretty. I am going to use my finger on the shimmer for my lid, which gives it a completely different payout than it did with the brush. Oh my goodness, it's so good. It's very soft. And this formula is fantastic. Let's get some darker purples going in here. I'm going to go with this, I don't know, because it's kind of like a raspberry color and there's like a grape. Let's do the raspberry color. Kind of build that. Oh, that's looking super cute. And we love the super cute. I'm stuck on super cute this past week. And then we're going to go into the deep purple with the same brush. I think I'm going to bring that a little bit down. Oh, that's so lovely. I can't get over how, I mean, I knew Huda. I've got some other Huda palettes that are really nice, but the pigments on this palette, on this Amethyst palette, is so good. Let me get a blending brush and see if I can't soften the whole deal up. Hoot. I absolutely love this palette. So let's do some liner. And we're going to use the Star Gems Asteria eyeliner, which is super dark and great. Gave it a little shake. And that liner is just gorgeous. And Star Gem is an indie brand, and it's a great indie brand. And you should definitely check them out. And I am loving this. So let's do some mascara. Let's use the Marc Jacobs mascara. And it's really given some amazing length. And it just more coats the longer the lashes get. And I got this, I started having this with a trial size and I loved it so much I had to upgrade. So let's do the lips and then we will have a look. Let's see. And this is liquid matte ink. This is Superstay Matte Ink in Ruler, number 80. Oh, and it looks super pretty. And I am totally loving this look. So thank you so much for being with me here today. I love the Huda Beauty Amethyst palette, and I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.